gonna flip you, Papa, okay? We're gonna flip you real quick. This will just take 2 seconds. Yeah, Papa. Oi.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Hold on, you got him.
I hate you, boy. Oh my goodness, you're so big already. Yeah. Mwah. All right, so
This is like booger.
let's switch you. Oh. Look at his hair.
It's better like this.
Yeah. Hi, Papa. I hate you, boy. Yeah, I'm right now in Southern California. It's getting a little warmer, but I think right now it's like 78 degrees. It's not hot. Like 2 weeks ago, I think it was hotter. Too hot. It was like close to 90. But right now, it's 75 degrees. Which is... Hey, your boy. He's laughing. Yeah, he's turning 4 months. He's already starting to laugh. He's starting to discover his voice.
Today I was changing his diaper. He was laughing for no reason.
Really?
He was all cracking.
You were laughing, Papa. Yeah, you were laughing. Yeah, you were laughing, Papa. Yeah. He's like, Dad, what's that thing on your face?
I know.
Yeah, he's starting to discover his voice, so he's just making a lot more noise. He's screaming. Mm-hmm. He's starting to feel things with his hands. Huh? Yeah, there's a helicopter up there.
Scary with all the horses.
Oh, look. He's starting to use his legs more. He's just growing up. Hi, Papa, you're just growing up. Yeah. It's only a matter of time before he starts to walk. Oh wow, for me? What would you do if you just found $2,000 right now? What would you do?
I'll pick them up.
Where would you take me? Or what was the first thing you would do with that money?
Save it.
Wow, smart. This is why I married you.
Right.
You know what I would do?
Rent and stuff?
You know what I would do?
What?
I'll go to Chick-fil-A right now
Oh, you know you
and get a 20-piece chicken tender.
would. No, you would.
Oh, too hot. Sun is in our face. I'ma get darker.
1 mile.
We hit 1 mile? We're gonna have to extend this route. It's starting to feel short now.
I know.
We go back to the house and we're like, dang, we finished.
I wouldn't do that.
Before in the past, it was like, oh man, we still gotta walk all that. At first, didn't we start with, we went through the middle here, no?
Uh-huh. We did short one.
We did a short one.
And I'm like, you know what? Let's go all the way.
Yeah. Next thing you know, we're gonna be like, oh, let's go to the next city. Let's go to Whittier and come back.
Ooh.
What happened? Too long of a walk?
Get back home. Well, leave.
I know. Nah, then we got church today at 7, so we can't really do much. It's about to be 3, so that means we got like 3 hours because we still need to get ready. We still need to eat. I want to edit some videos. Bing, bop. If you guys are enjoying this type of content, or you guys are enjoying my personality with my family right here, make sure to like and subscribe. I definitely want to experiment with more content like this and just see how it goes. Right, Papa? Right? Tell them to subscribe. Tell them. Please. Yeah, and for all the people that have been subscribing, welcome aboard. I really do appreciate all of you guys that are subscribing and watching my channel. I'm just a small YouTuber trying to grow to do this full time. And I know a lot of people are probably like, oh, Anthony, it's such a unrealistic thing. Hey, a lot of people, they could still make a living on YouTube even with like 20,000 subscribers, I think. Huh?
I'm like, no.
Yeah, like you can literally, you don't need to be as popular like Mr. Beast.
But yeah.
Yeah, you could have a small channel with like 70,000 subscribers, and they all watch your content, and they all watch your videos. Hey, that's revenue that adds up. Imagine you make 10 videos a month, and they all get like 100,000 views, and then YouTube pays you like, for example, $10 per 1,000 views. That's still like extra income. That's still a good amount. And then imagine you like do little side hustles, you know. But obviously, I want to be a full-time YouTuber. I want to be able to have that blessing, like a lot of other YouTubers, that they get to wake up, not go to a corporate job, stay home, and have their videos make passive income. I think that's the dream. And it's not that too unrealistic, you know, because if a lot of people could do it, then so can you. What's the difference between you and someone else that's doing the same thing? So don't listen to all those people that are telling you that you can't do it. You can. Obviously, it's going to require work. It's not just going to be made possible from one day to the next. You need to work on it. Even if a video doesn't do well, or even if you don't see a lot of growth, you just kind of have to keep going. Just need to keep pushing. Oh look, the lizard, another gecko. Oh, my face is burning. Huh? I think they just fly now. I don't know, baby. Go, 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 go. Just don't fall, imagine. Oh my gosh, my face is burning from the sun.
So you have a hat, but you
I have a hat, yeah, but I'm using it to record. And I have it like backwards. Oh yeah, huh? Should we put on this? Oh, it's not big enough, is it? But I mean,
it's the one he had yesterday.
I'll block him. Be careful with the water, baby. You don't want to trip. Zinga, zinga. If you guys could tell me where that's from, I'll give you guys a packet of Oreos. Do you know where that's from? No? Zinga, zinga. You guys could tell me in the comments. Oops, sorry. Where that's from. If you know, you know. It's from The Cat in the Hat. The thing 1 and thing 2. When they're messing up the house, they're going zinga, zinga. This is thing 1. He likes to go by, I forgot the other names that he mentions. Dingy, something dynamite, chocolate thunder, or Ben. I think that was thing 2. I don't know. Thing 1 comrade, thing 2 Sally comrade.
What did you say?
Yeah, papa. You took off the thing?
Yeah. That's okay.
Oh.
It's not feeling nothing on his head.
That a boy.
You're bringing an umbrella.
I know, huh?
We should buy those pet umbrellas.
Oh, I look like a circus guy. Oh my gosh, yeah, my face is burning. Merci beaucoup, mademoiselle. Mon Chéri. For a Friday, it's actually calm right now, huh? I was even surprised that there wasn't a lot of traffic today. Like in a lot of places where I was going, there wasn't a lot of traffic. I don't think so. Maybe it's just Friday. City Hall. Oh man. And then after church, we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A. Ooh, too good. We have that as a routine. Every Friday after church, Chick-fil-A we go. And
We don't have them here.
yeah, if we don't have any other events on the Friday, like after church, because sometimes we do have events where, you know, it ends at 9 o'clock, but then we have like this, well, for Spanish speakers, it's called a vigilia, where we stay an extra session after our normal session. So it's like church after church, pretty much. If that's the case, then we don't go to Chick-fil-A. But yeah, they usually make food at church. But like for today, example, we don't have those events, so we go to Chick-fil-A right after with the fam. And well, I mean, I try my best to be healthy, so I get the salad, the Cobb salad. The only thing that I do struggle with is the amount of sauces I get home. Like I love to get a lot of Chick-fil-A sauces and the creamy salsa. Ooh. It gets way too out of hand. Wait. Hi, Papa. Hi, emotion. Yeah, he gets tired. I think he gets tired with the heat and also just because he's like bouncing.
I know.
He's bouncing. Hi, Papa. You're tired? Yeah, you're tired.
I'm sure him to this.
There it's gone. Just be careful. I know, I'm telling you. Thanos snapped away everyone else. Thanos. He snapped away everyone. And we just completed this turn. That turn over there is our last one. And then back home. So that's actually gonna be all for the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, comment for the algorithm, and click the video that YouTube is gonna recommend, and I'll see you guys on the next one.